In a fast-paced world filled with distractions, many of us lose touch with who we truly are and struggle to find meaning in life. Have you ever asked yourself, who am I? What is my purpose? Today, we'll dive deep into these profound questions, inspired by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. Stay with us until the end as we uncover practical steps to rediscover yourself and align your life with purpose. Step 1. Silence the noise. The first step to finding yourself is creating space for silence. The philosopher Epictetus once said, "First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." To hear your inner voice, you must mute the external noise, social media, constant notifications, and societal expectations. Spend time in solitude, even if just 10 minutes daily. Meditation, journaling, or walking in nature can help you listen to what your heart truly desires. Step 2. Reflect on your values. What matters to you? Is it family, success, love, or personal growth? Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of knowing your core values, writing in meditations. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one, and define your principles and let them guide your decisions. When your actions align with your values, you naturally feel more grounded and purposeful. Step 3. Embrace discomfort. True self-discovery comes from stepping out of your comfort zone. Seneca, a Stoic philosopher, believed that adversity builds resilience. He wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." Face your fears and challenge yourself to grow. Whether it's learning a new skill, traveling alone, or confronting a personal weakness, every challenge shapes a stronger, clearer version of yourself. Step 4. Focus on what you can control. One of the most powerful Stoic teachings is to focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. Often, we waste energy worrying about external events, other people's opinions, or past mistakes. Epictetus reminds us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. By focusing on your thoughts, actions, and mindset, you regain a sense of control and clarity. Step 5. Practice gratitude. It's easy to feel lost when we're constantly chasing the next big thing. Gratitude anchors you in the present moment. Each day, take a moment to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. Marcus Aurelius beautifully expressed this idea. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Gratitude transforms your perspective, making it easier to find joy in the simple things. Step 6. Serve others. Purpose often lies in serving others. As humans, we are interconnected. Seneca wrote, "No man is an island. Volunteer, mentor someone, or simply be there for a friend in need." Helping others not only gives you a sense of fulfillment, but also strengthens your sense of self. In giving, we often discover our deeper purpose. Step 7. Accept impermanence. Life is fleeting, and understanding this can bring immense clarity. Marcus Aurelius frequently reflected on mortality, reminding himself, "You could leave life right now, let that determine what you do and say and think." Accepting the impermanence of life helps you focus on what truly matters, living authentically and fully in the present. Step 8. Take action daily. Philosophy isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. The Stoics were practical philosophers who believed in taking small, consistent actions to align their lives with their ideals. Ask yourself every morning, what's one thing I can do today to get closer to my purpose? Over time, these small steps lead to profound transformation. Finding yourself and your purpose is not a destination but a journey. It requires patience, reflection, and a commitment to growth. As the Stoics teach, purpose isn't something you discover by accident, it's something you create through intentional living. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button and share it with someone who's searching for direction. Don't forget to subscribe for more Stoic wisdom to guide your life. Until next time, remember, your life is what your thoughts make it.